Today in this video you're going to see how I make $10,000 per month with my faceless YouTube channels, and they take less than 2 hours a week to run. To make 6 figures on YouTube in less than 2 hours work a week, we need to optimize for 2 things: 1. Income, 2. Time. Here's how to do both and make bank on the platform. Select a profitable niche. On YouTube, your niche determines 2 things. 1. Viewer interest, how easy you grow. 2. Monetization options, how much you make. Here are a few niches that you can use to scale to $100,000 per year. Scale up to 50,000 monthly views. You can get to 50K monthly views with 1. Less videos but higher quality. 2. More videos at lesser quality. Here's the math: 50 videos at 1,000 views, 100 videos at 500 views, 200 videos at 250 views. Here's advice that relates to both. To scale up to 50K views, focus on increasing 2 key metrics: 1. Click-through rate, CTR. 2. Watch time. To increase CTR, focus on engaging titles and thumbnails. To increase watch time, focus on the following: structure, stories, graphics, nuggets, music. Identify a niche-related offer. The truth is it's very hard to make $100,000 per year just with ad revenue. As such, you need to leverage another monetization method. My favorites include affiliate offers, digital products, brand deals. Here's how each can make you over $100,000 per year. 50K monthly views multiple into 12 months is equal to 600K views. 1. Affiliate offers, 600,000 views x $20 commission x 1% conversion equals $120,000. 2. Digital products, 600,000 views x $50 product x 0.5% conversion equals $150,000. 3. Brand deals, 200 videos a year x $500 per video equals $100,000. Then, the more views you get, the more money you make. However, this doesn't solve our issue of time. Here's how to work only 2 hours a week. 1. Identify all video creation activities. 2. Post job on Upwork or Fiverr. 3. Review applicants' past work. 4. Hire for each task. Your tasks should be generating ideas and reviewing videos. By outsourcing your work, make you less work and earn more. If you need to know how to outsource your video, then comment below. I will make video on it. If you felt this video helpful, then subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you.